Is the DC housing market really crashing or just evolving? Let's clear up the confusion. Hi friends, neighbors. I'm Brett West with the UrbanCastle team at Corcoran McInerney in Washington, DC. And here is your March 2025 housing market update powered by real data from Bright MLS. This month, we're seeing a nice bump in listings, up by nearly 24%, and prices that are still climbing. But sales are a little bit slower, and homes are sitting a little longer. Buyers are being cautious, and we're watching closely how changes in the federal workforce are influencing demand across the region. Here's what the numbers say when we compare March 2025 to March 2024. Listings are up by nearly 24%. Pending sales are down 2.5%. Homes sold down 7.5%. Average price is up by 7.6%. Median price up by 2.9%. Average days on market. Homes are sitting longer, about 33%. The original list price retained a slight dip of 1.3% from last year. Our take: the DC market is entering a competitive spring season with more inventory and rising prices. But buyers are being more cautious due to affordability concerns, market timelines, and uncertainty around the federal workforce. As always, we're happy to be your trusted source for DC market insights based on fact, not fear. If you know anyone thinking about making a move, would you be kind enough to introduce us? We would love to help. As always, reach out anytime for expert guidance, and subscribe to stay informed with monthly DC market updates from the UrbanCastle team.